Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo V60 cross-country station wagon. This is in crystal white metallic with a charcoal leather interior. We've got dual integrated tailpipes. This has the T5 engine, so you get a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, giving you 250 horsepower, which is plenty for this car. Really scoots. Drop it into dynamic mode and you get there faster. All-wheel drive. This car has a 5-star safety rating, which is the highest safety rating. So you have peace of mind that you're in the safest car on the road in style. Pop up that back seat. This has the climate package, so the back seats are heated, the front seats are heated. That's where the back seat controls are. You can also plug your phones in there. This has the 19-inch wheels, cross traffic alert with auto braking, blind spot information system, lane keeping aid, city safety collision avoidance, all part of that 5-star safety rating. Distinct Thor's hammer active bending headlights. The fog lights are LED as well. Just a beautiful station wagon. Full disclosure, I also have a V60 cross country 2017 and I love that car. Harman and Kardon stereo system. Seat controls on the side. Super sleek interior. Memory seats for 2. Volvo voice control. Easy to use touchscreen. There's that backup camera. Navigation. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. That's everything you need for a winter in Maine for sure. So if you're ready, this is stock number 21125, and we are happy to get you into it. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.